Well, tell us your name. Hi, I'm Lily Kind. I am hosting Working on It and helping produce the weekend UMA Shows Up, which is a full weekend of live performances in May. Lily, what is Working on It? Well, Working on It is a kind of cabaret showcase where adults do new stuff in the realm of dance and performance. And sometimes that's really expert artists trying out new material or just like pushing a boundary. And a lot of the time it is our adult student population performing what they're working on in class. They are working on it. We are working on it. It is also a Jay Dilla song, which is fun. Working on it. Working on it. Working on it. The show is called Working on It because we're working on it. It's one word, working on it. 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 Perfect. Yay.